Hi there, and welcome to English 208. I'm so happy you are here so we can really jump in to English together. The purpose of this video is to teach you the ins and outs of English 208, ensure you will understand the expectations of this course, and help you start the year off strong so you can be successful all year long. So we're going to jump right in and talk about our class overview and expectations to be successful. So you need to log in and attend class every day. So you should be expecting between 60 and 90 minutes of work each day in English. You need to check your announcements, check your email daily. I recommend checking it in the morning when you first sign in, at lunch, and at the end of the day. Make sure you complete all of your assignments and stay on top of your lessons by using your class plan. If you get behind, use the class plan to look up the past dates on the calendar and catch up right away. Check the gradebook and Dropbox for your comments and feedbacks. Attend all Class Connects assigned that you have and that are deemed required. Watch the weekly video sent out on Mondays and posted in our announcements. Read your Friday email. This will be important information in it, such as due dates and course schedule for the following week. Look ahead and prepare, and of course communicate. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to your teacher right away. Send an email or place a phone call. So our Class Connect expectations: participate. Be respectful of each other and your teacher. Make sure you watch the weekly video before you attend the Class Connects for the week, so you're able to participate fully. So again, watch the weekly video before our Class Connects. Use chat when appropriate. Students will be immediately removed from a session if they make inappropriate comments in the chat or interfere with the educational experience of the class. Please do not share any personal information, including your phone number, address, email, and text address, etc. When you have your writing tools, please use them appropriately. The bottom line is respect. We need to give and get respect in our class. So our flipped classroom weekly video. You're going to have a weekly video every single Monday. It will be under 10 minutes. It's going to be posted in your announcements, and it must be watched before you attend your Tuesday's Class Connect. This will help you learn the material and participate fully in our Class Connects. So your netiquette. When sending me a message, please use the following email etiquette rules. Include your first and last name. Include the course information, so English 208. Use a salutation like Dear Mrs. Dietz or Dear Mrs. Cook, depending on your teacher. Close the message properly by using your name like it was an actual letter. Be specific with the lesson and problem you are having. Use your best grammar and punctuation skills. Make sure you edit and revise your email before you send it to your teacher. So here's a proper email example. So to Ms. Cook or Ms. Dietz from Jane Smith. The subject line is English 208 Best Book Assignment. Dear Ms. Cook or Ms. Dietz, depending on your teacher, I have downloaded the Best Book Assignment from October 7th. I can't find the Dropbox to turn it in. Can you help me, please? Thank you, Jane Smith. Notice that Jane Smith included a salutation. She told us specifically what she needed help on, and then signed her first and last name, and even told us the course she's in. If you do not have a proper email, your question will not be answered, so please make sure you follow this etiquette. Your late policy. Assignments may be submitted for 1 full week after the noted due date to receive full credit. After the grace period, assignments will not be accepted for credit unless you made arrangements ahead of time with your teacher. So an example, if something is due today, it should be due today at midnight. You have until the following day to submit it for full credit. So your tests and quizzes. On quizzes, you have unlimited retakes. On your unit test, they can be taken twice, and your highest score will be transferred to your gradebook. This is another important one for academic integrity. Cheating and plagiarism equals a 0 on an entire assignment. All papers are scanned through a program that checks your paper for plagiarism. It checks your paper with writing found on the internet, as well as writing that's been previously submitted in K-12, so past assignments. Make sure you always paraphrase or correctly quote and cite your sources when conducting research. Only submit your original work that you have produced for the specific task. This means you can't turn in a paper you wrote for a previous class or a year for an assignment due this year. Your STAR 360 assessment. We will be doing this throughout the entire school year, and you'll have a new STAR 360 test every 8 weeks. It's important that you try your best and take your time. Well, we can't wait to see you guys in our live class connects to let the fun begin. Have a great semester, and please contact your teacher if you have any questions.